Hey there. Imagine a place where the hills have been around forever. Welcome to the Irish countryside, a land full of history and natural beauty. Here in the heart of Ireland, nature and tradition come together. Everywhere you look, there's vibrant green and teeming life. Meandering streams flow through, nourishing the land. Generations of farmers have cared for these fields, keeping traditions alive. Livestock wander freely, a common sight in this peaceful landscape. The cycle of life continues with every seed planted. As the day wraps up, a calm evening sets in. Lanterns light the way as night falls. Cozy cottages glow with warm light. Irish crafts tell stories of a rich cultural heritage. Music fills the air, celebrating the Irish spirit. Each item is crafted with love and tradition. Community gatherings are the heart of social life here. People share stories and meals, strengthening bonds. Kids playing remind us of life's simple joys. A new day begins with misty mornings over the fields. Dewdrops sparkle, signaling the start of another day. The sun rises, promising new beginnings. This is the Irish countryside, where history, culture, and nature all come together. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Irish countryside. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.